Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to boost trust and increase sales on your Shopify store? In this video, I will show you step by step on how to import customer reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify using a free app, no coding needed. First of all, sign into your Shopify dashboard. Click Login. Once you are in, click Apps from the left sidebar, then click App and Sales Channel Settings. Now open the Shopify App Store from the right corner side corner at the search bar. Search for AliExpress Review Importer. I recommend using just.me, looks or Ali reviews. Then choose an app, then click install. It will now appear in your app's dashboard. Follow the process, and that's it. To pull reviews from AliExpress, you will also need the Chrome extension for the app. For example, go to Chrome Web Store, open new tab, and go to Web Store. Now search for just.me AliExpress or Ali review, and add it to Chrome. Now go to aliexpress.com and open the product page you want to import reviews from, like that. When the extension active, click on extension button, then Ali reviews. You will see options like how many reviews import, minimum star rating, or Amazon. From here, click AliExpress and follow the process, and it will fetch them and send them directly to your connected product on Shopify. I recommend you will always use like just.me app. In the just.me dashboard inside Shopify, go to manage reviews. Now search for just.me, AliExpress reviews, install it. You can now see all imported reviews and match them to the right product. You can edit, approve, or delete any reviews you don't want. You also have options to display reviews, images, review count, and star rating. Just follow the step, like download just.me from Shopify App Store. Again, search in Chrome Web Store just.me. AliExpress review importer, add it to Chrome. Then Click AliExpress and click on a product and extension. Then open app and follow the process. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.